Today I'm standing on the front porch of my dream home. It is a lovely log home and it's here in Clayton, North Carolina, and it joins Clemmons State National Forest Park on over 4 acres of land. If you love nature and bird watching, this back deck is for you. This home has so much character. It has wood beams through both of the living areas. This home comes with a full masonry fireplace, currently being used for gas logs, but easily converted back to wood burning. If you'd like more information about this log home, give the Beth Hines team a call.